Here's how to delete apps on the iPhone. So I'm in iOS 26. This probably won't change. It hasn't really ever for the iPhone. There's a couple ways that you can do it. One is if you see an app like maybe news here, I want to delete, I can actually just tap and hold. And once this menu pops up, I let go and I can go and tap on one of these options. So I could tap on remove app and it's going to allow me to delete the app or just remove it from my home screen, which doesn't delete it. Uh, just so you know, it just removes it from the home screen. But I can delete it, and then it will say, hey, it's got documents and data, but if anything's stored in iCloud, that won't be deleted, etc. Basically, we can delete that app to uninstall it and remove it from our iPhone. Now, the other way you can do it is to tap and hold on your wallpaper, and you'll see this little jiggle mode pop up where all the apps start to shake, and these minus icons, we can actually just remove apps pretty easily by tapping on those. So if I wanted to remove Apple TV, for instance, I could just tap on that and go to delete app in the same way and just remove TV from my iPhone. And you can re-download any of the Apple native apps from the App Store for free later on if you want to get that back. But that's pretty easy way to delete apps on your iPhone. Just tap off of all of those icons and they'll stop shaking. So yeah, you can tap and hold on one and delete it from the menu, or you can just tap and hold on your wallpaper and start to remove apps once they start jiggling. That's how you can delete apps from the iPhone.